Welcome to this overview of Byteplant Email Verifier, a service designed to help you maintain a clean email list by identifying invalid or risky email addresses. Whether you're managing a small mailing list or a large database, this tool ensures that you only send emails to valid addresses, improving your email deliverability and reputation. One of the key features of Byteplant Email Verifier is its ability to validate email addresses in real time, checking them against multiple databases for accuracy. It helps prevent common issues such as high bounce rates, which can negatively affect your email campaigns and your sender reputation. The service also provides detailed reports, so you can see exactly which emails are invalid, disposable, or risky. The verification process is simple. Upload a CSV file with email addresses, and Byteplant will scan them for any issues. You could also use its API for integration into your existing system, making it a great choice for businesses looking to streamline their email verification process. However, one limitation of Byteplant Email Verifier is that its free plan is limited to a small number of verifications. So for large email lists, you'll need to opt for a paid plan. The paid plans vary depending on the number of verifications you need, but they are generally affordable for small to medium-sized businesses. While not the cheapest option on the market, Byteplant's accuracy and reliability make it a solid choice for those serious about email list hygiene. In addition to email verification, you might want to consider Clean Email, another great tool for email management. Clean Email is perfect for organizing, filtering, and managing your inbox, helping you keep things clean and clutter-free. Check it out in the description below. Byteplant Email Verifier is ideal for marketers, businesses, and individuals who want to improve their email campaign results and keep their lists clean and up-to-date. Whether you're running an email marketing campaign or sending one-time newsletters, this tool will save you time and help you avoid common email deliverability issues. If you're looking for the best email manager, follow the link in the description to start using Byteplant today. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful reviews.